Hello, we are going to talk about the RO Permeate Storage Tank and the RO Water Softeners. Our RO water or permeate comes in up here. We have two redundant inline conductivity meters. Both have flow switches to make sure they are testing fresh water. These transmitters are used to control these two valves, O507A and O507B. If we have a high conductivity on either probe, it will cause a permeate divert. Each RO skid has their own permeate divert. This is a redundant safeguard. When this happens, valve B will open and send the flow to the city effluent. 10 seconds after a confirmed open from valve B, valve A will close. You must fix the situation causing the alarm before the operator can switch the valves back to their normal operating positions. You will notice we have an interlock on valve A. This is to prevent you from closing this valve till the other valve has been opened so we don't deadhead the booster pump for the RO skids. We will now demonstrate the permeate divert. This is what happens when we lose flow to one of our conductivity probes. As you can see, valve B opens. "10 seconds after a confirmed open, valve A will close, preventing flow to the permeate tank. After a confirmed close of valve A, this pressure control valve will go into manual mode and hold its last position. We must correct the situation that created the alarm before we can return to normal operating positions. And this does not switch back automatically by design. The operator has to confirm that we have good conductivity, and then you can open valve A. At this point, the pressure control valve will go back into auto, and 10 seconds after a confirmed open, you can close valve B. Now we are sending water to our permeate tank. This is a very large 250,000 gallon tank and can provide about 4 hours of runtime if we cannot use any of our RO skids. Down here you will see our RO permeate pumps. These send water to our softener skids. These are a lot like our raw water pumps. They have an auto swap, will swap automatically if the selected pump has an uncommanded event or trips. Here are the pump's interlocks. Not high discharge pressure, not low permeate tank level, and the other permeate pump not running. Start permissives are at least 2 softener skids online and above low level in permeate tank. Softener bypass takes out only the softener's online permissive. These are fixed speed pumps. They are not on variable speed drives. These pumps send permeate to the softener skids. Water is supplied to all 3 softeners. They are on the same header. The permeate pump supply is being divided between the softeners that are online. Here we have an overview of all 3 skids. We can see they are all online. Regeneration is ready but interlocked. So is the regeneration cancel. We cannot cancel a regeneration at the moment because we are not running one. Down here we see the status of each skid. This is the totalizer of the kilogallons of water that has gone through the skid. At 50,000 kilogallons, it will alarm to indicate that it's time for a regeneration. After the regeneration cycle, the totalizer resets. Our softeners are always sending water to the deaerator. Over here, this is a minimum flow recirculation line. It should normally be in cascade. When all 3 softeners are online, the minimum total flow should be 900 gallons per minute. If flow drops below 900 gallons per minute from our softener skid, then this valve should open to maintain a minimum flow through our softeners. The other control option is deaerator level. You can manually bypass the deaerator level valve, this valve down here, select DA level on the faceplate, and now this recirculate valve up here will control the flow to the deaerator. The softeners can be manually bypassed. Permeate can be sent to deaerator without being softened. Thank you.